Okay, dear students, this is exercise 2.3, multiplication of fraction. This is also about the multiplication of fraction. So here we take random examples like 3 by 5 multiply 9 by 8. Okay, this is one example. So 3 by 5 multiply by 9 by 8. Here if cutting is possible, do the cutting. Here cutting is not possible. So 3 nines are 27, 5 eights are 40. Okay, now this is proper fraction. So this is your answer. Okay, because we have studied same thing in exercise 2.2. Like 3 whole 1 by 5 multiply by 7 whole 2 by 3. Okay, so here this is improper fraction. So first convert into mixed fraction, improper fraction. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1, 16 upon 5. Multiply 7 3s are 3 7s are 21, 21 plus 2, 23 upon 3. Okay, now if cutting is possible, do the cutting, but here cutting is not possible. So 16 multiply by 23, 16 multiply by 23, 6 3s are 18, 1 carry, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 and here 3. 8, 6 and 3. Here the answer is 16 multiplied by 23 is 368 and 5 3s are 15. Okay, now this is improper fraction. So improper fraction convert into mixed fraction. So 368 multiplied by 15. So 15 2s are 30, 15 2s are 30, 6 0 bring down 8, 15 4s are 60 and here 8. Now make the chain. Here 15, then write 15 at denominator place, 24 at whole part number and 8 at numerator place. This is your answer. Clear? Now next is, this is new thing, which is greater. So which is greater means it is about a comparison. It is about a comparison. Okay, now let's see here. 2 by 7, so here 2 by 7, here off means multiply. 3 by 4, here this is or means here we are going to write greater than or less than sign. Here 3 by 5, off means multiply 5 by 8. Here if cutting is possible, do the cutting, no problem. So here 2 2s are 4. Now cutting is not possible. 3 1s are 3, 7 2s are 14. Here also cutting is possible, 5 5 cut. Now 3 and here 8. Okay, now this is 3 by 14 dash 3 by 8. So here we are going to do comparison. So for the comparison you can find you can do comparison by finding LCM, or you can do the cross multiply. So this way also you can do. 3 8s are 24, 14 3s are 42. So here 42 is greater than 24, the 24 is less than, so here come less than sign. Here also come less than sign. So here the question is which is greater. So which is greater, this one or this one? So this one is less than and this one is greater. So greater than means this one. So 3 by 5 or 5 by 8 is greater. Is what? Greater. Clear? Now next question number 4. Question number 4, very important questions. Here सैली प्लांट्स 4 सैपलिंग. सैपलिंग में छोटे छोटे जो पौधे होते हैं वो सैपलिंग्स बोलते हैं. इन अ रो इन हर गार्डन द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन 2 एडजेसेंट सैपलिंग इज 3 by 4 meter. फाइंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द फर्स्ट एंड द लास्ट सैपलिंग. सो हियर सैपलिंग मीन्स हियर छोटे छोटे प्लांट्स. तो सैली प्लांट्स 4 saplings. तो दिस इज 1, दिस इज 2, this is 3 and this is 4. तो सैली plants 4 saplings. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, सैली plants 4 saplings in a row in a garden. The distance between 2 adjacent sapling is 3 by 4. The distance between first and second sapling is 3 by 4. Here also 3 by 4 and here also 3 by 4. So find the distance between the first and the last sapling. So here you can see 3 by 4, 3 by 4 and 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 how many times it is? 3 times, to multiply by 3. So here 3 3s are 9, 4 1s are 4. So here it is mixed fraction, improper fraction, then convert into mixed fraction. So 4 2s are 8 and 1. So what is the distance between the first and the last sapling? 4 whole 1 by 4 meter. Clear? Now the next work is question number 6. Lipika reads a book for 1 whole 3 by 4 hours every day. So every day means 1 day. So means every day means Deepika reads a book for 1 whole 3 by 4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. So every day means in 1 day she reads a book for 1 whole 3 by 4 hours. Okay, and she reads the entire books in 6 days. So how many hours in all were required by her to read the books? So one day में she reads 1 whole 3 by 4 hours. तो सी 6 days में कितने hours वो read करेगी? 1 day में इतने hours, तो 6 days में कितने? Then do cross multiply. Then 1 whole 3 by 4 multiply by 6. Okay. Now 4 ones are 4 plus 4 plus 3, 7 by 4 multiply by 6. Okay, now cutting is possible. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now 7 3s are 21 upon 2. So 21 upon 2 means this is improper fraction, then convert into mixed fraction. So 2 here, 2 tens are 20 and 1. This is her answer. Answer means 10 whole 1 by 2 hours she will reads to complete her book. Clear? Now question number 7. A car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. So 1 liter of petrol में a car runs 16 km. So how much distance will it cover using 2 whole 3 by 4 liter of पेट्रोल? तो 1 लीटर में इतना डिस्टेंस कवर करते हैं. 1 लीटर में 16 किलोमीटर, तो 2 whole 3 by 4 लीटर्स में कितना डिस्टेंस? डू द क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. देन 16 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 whole 3 by 4. So 16 upon 1, 4 2s are 8 plus 3, 11 upon 4. Now 4 4s are 16. So 11 4s are 44. So कितना डिस्टेंस कवर होगा? 44 किलोमीटर. 44 kilometer. Now let's see the question number 8. Here 2 by 3 multiply means here we are going to write the answer. Box is equal to 10 upon 13. Now 2 के साथ क्या नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 10 आएगा. So 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. 3 के साथ क्या नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 30 आएगा. 3 10s are 30. Clear? So the answer come in the box is 5 by 10. 5 by 10. Now simplest form of the numbers obtained in the box. तो 5 by 10 का simplest form क्या होगा? 5 2s are 10. So 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Clear? Here same way 3 by 5 multiply. Here this is box. One box is there. Is equal to 24 by 75. तो 3 के साथ क्या नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 24 आएगा. 3 8s are 24. 5 के साथ क्या मल्टीप्लाई? 15 5s are 75. Okay, the answer come in the box is 8 upon 15. Now here 8 by 15. The simplest form of the number obtained in box. Here 8 by 15. Here the simplest form is not possible. The same number will come. Okay, thank you.